Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike with smartoptiontrading.com. It's Friday, the 6th of October. This is our weekly recap video. It's early today. It's just a little before 11. I'm going away for the weekend and we'll be off screens. No charts this weekend. Members, no charts, but I'll try to do in the morning, I'll do a long video on Monday morning for the week ahead and try to, if I get a chance, I'll post some stuff in here. I don't think I'll be back until too late on Sunday and probably had too much by that point to do anything anyway. So let's talk about this week that was. It's been a very difficult week. We've been trading below the 8-day. We have not been able to recapture it here, and we've been basically trading below it since we broke down here on the 15th of September. We are still above the 200-day. We have breached it or went into it here pre-market, but not been able to basically been able to get any power there below it. So we remain trapped. You have a bear flag formation. Seasonality kicks in that is now coming into our favor starting as soon as next week or the week after. We go into earnings season next week. And again, watch it. If we keep pushing here today, it's 11:30, plenty of time left. The next big area is 425. Then the 8-day, which is currently 426.10, but that will curl up in reaction to the coming at it. So, very much tight market here and very trapped. What's driving this market is, a fear of inflation and slowdowns. Crude has taken an absolute bath this week. This is good for the markets. This price back down here into this 82 support area. We'll see if that holds is good. The problem is bonds remain weak, put a new range low in, and that is leading to the yields and rates going through the roof, put a new many year high in on rates today on the 10-year. In addition, the dollar remains strong, but coming back in here, still not at the week's highs. The other thing to keep an eye on here is the VIX. The VIX is back inside the Bollinger Band now for the last 3 sessions. This is usually a risk-on move, notable while the market put the low in and we came nowhere near to highs of the day on the VIX. If you're looking for what's good in this market, it's more easier to look for what's not good. The financials have been messy all week, trading weak. Energy has rolled over before the oil did and dipped down here all the way to the 200-day. You have consumer staples, safety names are getting destroyed. Look at these names on names like Coke, Pepsi, right? Just absolutely getting mangled here. Procter and Gamble. These are usually safety names. This is not a great sign for the market overall. Utilities continue to be extremely weak, putting a new range low in here as well. The semis have shown some relative strength. We're trying to push above the 21-day here now. If we can break this range, they have room to run. We'll keep an eye on it. And really being led by the likes of an NVIDIA right at the 50-day here right now needs to break this today. If you're trading here for the rest of the afternoon, 448.54 needs to break and hold. AMD coming in here is taking out this long downtrend here today. This was one of the stronger names today. And now your 50-day there is the big spot to hold, 106.15. So some strength in those names. Micron had strength earlier this week, still holding in. So did Intel in the semis. What else? Meta continues to be very strong. The support on this 300 level is pretty impressive. When you look on the 5-minute chart this week, you can see here, every time we come into 300, it may dip below it briefly, but it finds a way to hold it. Top of the range is 310, and then the 312.87 area for the breakout continues to show incredible relative strength here versus this market and just this long sideways flag. Google had a great strong day today as well, breaking above the range, leading, broke out early when the market was weak. And this is what you're looking for. The market was weak on the open in Google. Look at that 5-minute candle. It never gave it back and pushed up. Very strong there. Guys, help me out. What else? Apple here, 21-day break, that can run. Microsoft also very strong today, breaking the 50-day here, the 21-day here, the 50-day, your next target there. But the problem is it's very thin. You have these same big cap tech names, the Magnificent Seven or so, what everybody wants to call it, holding the market up and pushing. Market can't survive on this. Market cannot survive on this alone. At some point, we need better participation or we're all going to roll. So maybe the market's trying to bottom out here. And, let's go back to the SPY real quick. It's possible the market is trying to find a bottom here just above the 200-day. Again, we breached it this morning pre-market. We breached earlier this week here pre-market, and we've held. So we'll see. We'll see what kind of action we get going into next week. Remember, earnings kicks in with the big banks next week on Friday. So wishing you guys a wonderful weekend. Hope to see you all in the room on Monday morning. And thanks for giving me the afternoon off, guys. I'll catch you guys live in the AM. Everybody be good.